UK police have named the 5 young men and teenagers aged between 16 and 23 who died yesterday after their car crashed into a police vehicle while travelling the wrong way along a dual carriageway in northeast England. Tributes continue to be paid to 2 police officers who were killed in the crash.
People in the Greater Middlesbrough area are still in shock after 5 young men and 2 police officers died in this crash on the A66 yesterday. The occupants of the Volkswagen Passat that was driving the wrong way down the road when it collided with a marked police car have been named as 23-year-old Jakub Matuziak, Mackay Saddington, aged 18, 17-year-old Theo Ray, Michael Robert Cahill, aged 23, and Cole Robert Worthy, also aged just 17. Investigating officers said today an armed response unit had been pursuing the speeding Volkswagen Passat for just under 7 minutes, but abandoned the pursuit once the car entered the A66 travelling the wrong direction. Just 10 seconds later, the Passat collided with another police vehicle that was in the area in a search for the Passat that was believed to be using cloned plates that had activated a security camera. The officers in that vehicle, PC Matthew Blades, aged 37, and 38-year-old Pc Tom Clough, have been hailed as heroes. Local football club Hartlepool FC paid tribute to PC Blades, calling him a much-loved member of the football family, adding that he was coach of the under-10 Reds, a team that was made even more special by having his eldest son playing alongside the boys.
It's a tragedy for the Cleveland police family, but everybody today is really mourning the loss of those lives and real sadness at the incident that took place.
Investigators said they've obtained initial accounts of officers involved in the pursuit, the incident log and in-car footage of the incident, and that they were looking for additional material. Fergal Gallagher, RTE News.